Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the Super Affiliate System. This is a very popular affiliate marketing course that teaches you supposedly how to make an online income, and I thought I would give my thoughts on this. So the way this works is you get a free trial up front for the first time, and then the price of this is absolutely ridiculous in my opinion. The price is about $500. Okay, so this is a $500 course, a $500 program that is supposed to teach you how to start making money online. Now, all of the methods he talks about in his course, all of the methods he talks about are valid methods. He talks about free traffic. He talks about paid traffic mostly. That's where he really emphasizes on the paid traffic side of things, which if you're paying $500 for a course, he really should be talking more about both. But I'll let that go for now. Basically, he talks about paid traffic. Now, all of the things he talks about still do work. Nothing here is outdated. Nothing here is too old. There are a lot of programs out there that are putting out methods that worked 3 or 4 years ago online, but don't really work anymore. But no, all of his methods work. My main problem with this program is this. Number one, it is too expensive. $500 for a program is absurd in my opinion, all right? And I'm going to tell you guys a way better alternative program that's much more affordable for you, that's going to be linked in the description, that you could use if you choose not to use this one, because this one is absolutely absurd. $500 for a program. I have a program that I know of that could do that for under $100 and teach you everything and more that this program does. So the first caveat with this program is I know of an alternative that does everything and more that this program does for a fraction of the price. Number two is this is a program that is more, in my opinion, geared towards intermediate to advanced affiliate marketing and intermediate to advanced entrepreneurship. There's not a lot of great stuff in here for beginners. The program that I know of that I will link down below in the description is good for beginners and intermediate, all right? So this is good for intermediate and advanced, other than the $500 price tag. The program that I know of that is a way better alternative to this, again, fraction of the price, is better for beginners and intermediate level online marketers. So if you're in that beginner to intermediate level phase of your career and you don't want to spend $500 on a program, I would definitely highly recommend using the alternative that I will have linked in the description. Overall, this program is not bad. If I was going on content alone, I would give this super affiliate program 4 out of 5 stars, but the fact that it's $500 to get all of the information out of it, I would probably bump that down to 3 or 2.5 out of 5 stars. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it, and as always, have a great day.